everybody. Today I'm going to teach you Abacus, and in Abacus today I'm going to teach you the add-to formula. And earlier also in my previous video you can see I have already taught you add-4 and add-3 formula. And before watching this video, you should first watch my first video which I have made on Abacus, because in that video I have told the basics of Abacus. So before watching this video, you see all my previous videos which I have made on Abacus. So now let's start with this. Now you can see the new formula which is add-2. So you have to learn this formula. Add-2 is equals to add-5 minus 3. This is the formula of complement, or you can say in small friends. In small friends or in complement, you have to learn this formula, and the formula is add-2 is equals to add-5 minus 3. And on the tens row, you will use the formula add-20 is equals to add-50 minus 30. And on hundredths row, you will use the formula add-200 is equals to add-500 minus 300, and so on. So now let's start. Now you see these questions you have to solve by using the add-2 formula. And also I'm going to show you these questions. You can see these questions also. Now you have to practice these questions with the use of add-2 formula. And right now I'm showing you some sums which are based on the add-2 formula. So these practice questions you have to do. Now you can see this question, and you have to solve this question using add-2 formula. Now you see in this question 89. So first this is 9 on the 1st rod and 80 on the 10th rod. So this is 89, then minus 56. Minus 5 minus 6 from the 1st rod and minus 50 from the 10th rod. Now add 22. You have to do add 2 on the 1st rod. But you can see here 2 beads are not left. Only 1 bead is left. So you see here, you cannot do add 2 directly. Now you have to take the help of the formula. So now what is your new formula to add 2? To add 2, you will do add 5 minus 3. And on the 10th row, you see here, you have to do add 20. But you look here, only one bead is left. And you cannot do add 20 directly. So now you will take the help of the formula. Now to add 20, what you will do? Add 50 minus 30. So this is add 50 minus 30. Like this, you will solve it, and your answer is 55 for this question. Now you look at this question. So I'm going to solve this question for you by the help of add-2 formula. Now, in the question, you can see 33. So, this is 3 on the 1st rod and 30 on the 10th rod. Now add 22. Again, you look here on the 1st rod, you have to do add 2. But you look here, only one bead is left. 2 beads are not there. So what you will do here, to add 2, you will take the help of the formula. And what is the formula to add 2? The formula is add 5 minus 3. So here you will do add 5 minus 3. Now here on the 10th rod, you have to do add 20. But you look at the beads. You cannot do here add 20 directly. So what you will do here, you will take the help of the formula. The formula to add 20 is add 20 is equals to add 50 minus 30. So you will do here add 50 minus 30. Now add 42. You have to do here add 42. Now you look at these bees on the 1st road. You have to do here add 2. But now here you can see you can do add 2 directly because 2 beads are available here. So you will directly do add 2 on the 1st rod, and on the 10th rod you can directly do add 40. So your answer is 97 for this question. Now you look at this question. So I'm going to solve this question for you. Now in the question you can see 41. So 1 and this is 40. So you can see this is 41. Now you have to do here add 24. Now you look at the 1st rod, you have to do here add 4. But you see 4 beads are not left here. So how will you do add 4 here? You will take the help of the formula which I have told you in my previous video. So what is the formula to add 4? Add 4 is equals to add 5 minus 1. So here you will do add 5 minus 1. Now on the 10th rod, you see you have to do add 20. But you see here 20 you cannot add directly because beads are not available here. So now you will take the help of the formula. Add 20 is equals to add 50 minus 30. So here you will do add 50 minus 30. Now in the question you can see this is minus 55. So minus 5 and minus 50. Now add 42. This is add 42. Now you look here, you have to do add 2 on the 1st road. And you can see 2 beads are available here. So add 2, you will do directly on the 1st rod. Now you have to do add 40 on the 10th rod. But 40 beads are not available here. Now to add 40, you will use the formula add 50 minus 10. So like this, you will solve this question and your answer is 52. Now you look at this question. So I'm going to solve this question for you. Now you see here 78. So this is 8 on the 1st rod and 70 on the 10th rod. Now minus 65. So minus 5 from the ones rod and minus 60 from the tens rod. Now add 42. See, on the ones rod you have to do add 2. But now you see here, you have to do add 2. But 2 beads are not left here. Only one bead is available. So what you will do? You will take the help of the formula. To add 2, you will use the formula add 5 minus 3. Now you have to do add 40 on the tens rod. But you see, beads are not available here. 40. For 40 beads are not available here. You will take the help of the formula. So what is the formula? 40 add 40 is equals to add 50 minus 10. So here you will take the help add 50 minus 10. Now you see add 22. Now you look here, this is again important. See, now you have to do add 2 on the ones rod. But now beads are available here. So here you will do add 2 directly. And on the tens rod you have to do add 20. And you can see directly you can do add 20, add 10 and add 20. So now you will not take the help of the formula to do add 22. You can directly do add 22. And like this, you have to see where you have to use the formula, in which question you have to take the help of the formula to solve the questions. Like this, you can see somewhere you will use the formula and somewhere you can solve the questions directly also. And thanks for watching my video.